What is back there? I know something is back there. What is it? How do you work this machine? What is going on? How do I get this thing to turn on so I can cook some food? Don't you forget about me. You don't forget about me. Huh? Hey, woman, hurry up and cook my food. Get my food cooked. I'm trying. I don't know how to turn it on. Baby, what are you doing? Are you trying to figure out how to turn the stove on? Baby. Are you telling her to cook your food, Skeeter? Oh yeah, Skeeter's the most beautifulest bird in the world. Yes, he is. The most beautifulest bird in the world. Get it, boy, get it. Pretty boy.